Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 8:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on June 16th, 2010. Looking at the S&P 500 ETF, the SPY. Yesterday, a nice run up to resistance at the 110.50 mark. Broke out of that nicely. Went to a 111 area, chopped around just briefly there, and actually worked its way out of that to the next logical spot of resistance, which was 112. We talked about that on a 60-minute chart. You can see a little bit more clearly. It's a fantastic gap fill. Also the round number there. So nice technical work there for the broad markets. Back to a 15-minute chart, you can see that we've come off this nicely also. So a pullback all the way to the 111 mark here pre-market, and some news. So we've got a couple of things. One is home construction and building permits. Both of those economic numbers are down. Just looking at Yahoo Finance, that's helping pull the markets back. And also, if you look at a couple of the broad market indicators, the trend Q spent a good part of the day yesterday at 0.5, which is very nicely bullish. The trend actually entered into a really overbought level. So dangerous kind of to go into that and be very careful again with what you see here, because sometimes the market needs to correct, and then when you get market news like that on top of it, you kind of get your wish. The VIX is fantastic. Unfilled gap bled out all the way to 25.87 below the 26 mark, so that's excellent, and that corroborates the upside move, confirms it. And then the S&P 500 ETF again back to 111. So what I'm looking for today is a hold of 111 here pre-market, or at least maybe just a test or something of that, but then a move back up into the 111.50 area where this was once resistance. So we can drop a horizontal line through here now. So just a little bit above that, and the 10 cents higher, resistance, broken support, broken resistance. That's a great line. And then of course 112. On a higher time frame, it's a beautiful break of the 200 MA, which had been resistance for so long. This is an excellent move higher, again into that next logical spot of resistance. So this is a very notable test. If we consolidate now, I'm still looking for a higher swing low through here, or a simple consolidation. And above that, I'd have to go look at a 60-minute chart to find the next logical spot of resistance above 112. So let's scrunch it all up. It's all messy, no problem. It's actually right through here. So this becomes an area now, 115, just shy of that. Beautiful sell-off. Maybe the 50% retracement of that also would be something to watch out for, especially for trading. So 113 as well. So good round numbers again. So the 113 area and then 115. And of course, a little bit of a round number at 114. So watch out for that on the way higher. On the way south, of course, we already talked about the 111, wanting to hold that. Still good support at 110 area, the swing low right through here. Perfect little gap fill in this area as well. So lots to look out for above and below, and that's an excellent way to go into a day. So make sure you have good market internal confirmation before you go too long or short here in this environment, in my opinion. And good stuff. So I hope your trading week is going well, and that you're doing great in the markets, and we'll be with you throughout the day today to see how things are shaping up.